Hey folks, today we'll be talking about the top 5 hardest pieces of evidence that prove sharks and aliens coexist. Take it away, Jack.
Surprise and capture their prey.
Number 5. The Fabio theory. In 1929, Professor James Fabio came up with a revolutionary theory that the DNA of sharks did not match that of any other creature on Earth. However, he was killed several days later. 50 years present after examining his work, scientists noticed something peculiar. A strange marking on the noteboard matched something on his head in one photo. Whether this is evidence still stands to be told.
Number 4. The Chinchilla theory. Scientists believe that 75 years ago, when they saw the shark from Seal Island jumping out of the water, they noticed a strange mark on its tail, which signals the same mark we're going to see in another photo by an alien, which is our very first piece of very, very strong physical evidence. And as you can see here, this man is pointing directly at the alien, and there is a shark. So now we have physical and visual proof that we can see a shark and a man pointing at an alien all in the same area.
It's quite a bit of water pressure coming through. I can't see it at the moment. The visibility's not that good.
Number 3. In 1929, scientists were out in the ocean on an expedition with a surfing craft. A man underwater had a bit of trouble. Look in this next video. We see the craft sailing along, but that item behind it was not meant to be there. In fact, that is an unidentified object in the water. Although scientists trailed it for many hours, they lost it after getting this footage when, out of nowhere, as you can see, it's trailing behind. They do not know what this is, an unidentified object, possibly from space. All of a sudden, just when they were about to identify it, bang! The shark jumped out of the water and takes it away, never to be seen again. Proof the shark was trying to hide the only evidence towards proof that they coexist with aliens.
Number 2, the classic magnet theory. So now we're looking at several people on a boat, and you're going to see a hand come out, and that is an alien hand. All 5 people were on the boat. I repeat, all 5 were on the boat, and that is very hard evidence that aliens and sharks do coexist and have in the past.
Number 1, Donald Breicher. In 2015, Professor Donald Breicher was out on a surf expedition looking for sharks. This footage was taken of a man on the boat who is unidentified to the rest of the crew. Here you see, after the shark emerges from the water, damning evidence and proof that there was an alien on board the boat. Take a look at that face. Does it look familiar? I think it does. That's the final proof, and that's all I need to prove that sharks and aliens do coexist on planet Earth. This is the Coogee Herald. Thank you, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.